All right, mate. Welcome to the group. First off, now I was away. I was sleeping actually at 5 a.m. when you messaged this, and I was away last night, so I'm just a bit late catching up on all these messages. Um, can I run to $100? At this point, it's still looking pretty good. You can see I've got alarms down here to kind of load up on it. It never dropped back down to give the re-entry. As you can see, there's a weekly chart, and it's almost been green for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks in a row, basically. So slightly frustrating. What I would suggest is um, it's up 5% today. So if you didn't get in already, best to wait for a new 3-day candle. It's up 5%. And it has a large candle here on a 3-day candle. You wait. There's a new 3-day candle in 14 hours time. So you do want to buy right up here, and then a new 3-day candle does something like this, reject and drop back down a bit. That's what you need to be concerned about. What you would want to do probably is look to be buying a dip in here. Let's just change this color. Look to be buying a dip on a new 3-day, a little bit like this. You can see, when it drops between 38, well, just a guess at this point, between 38 and 50%, as you can see right here, and that I drew that almost not quite perfectly, but see here, I drew this one pretty well, but the same here. And to be buying that dip is this would be the safe way to trade it. I drew this one a lot better, maybe in here or even down to the 61%. So if I take those away, that's the safe point to be buying. If there's a bit of a dip on a new 3-day down into here, and then look to get that move back up to the $100 mark. I do think that we probably are headed there. I just don't like the FOMO here at the top of the 3-day candle, at the end of the 3-day candle, in case there is that dip. So, that's kind of my thoughts on it. And this is where I would like to buy. I would buy this myself if it gets down here. And I'm actually going to set an alarm down in here just in case we get that dip down, and I'll set the alarm. And if we dip down there, I will look to buy this myself.